Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the corner to corner single crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, the slip stitch, and the single crochet decrease. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. To start row 1, make 3 chains. Into the third chain or the farthest chain from your hook, make 1 single crochet. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 single crochet. Then you're going to have a chain at the end of your row, and into that chain, make 2 single crochet. To start our increase row, make 1 chain. You're now going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch across, and as your square gets bigger, you will have more stitches. Right now we only have 3 because we're still at the beginning of our square, but as you go along, you will have more stitches across to work into. So that's 1 single crochet into each. And then at the end of your row, you're going to have a chain right here to work into. And into this chain, you're going to make 2 single crochet. You would now repeat this increase row for how wide you want your square. I'm going to continue on to make increase rows to widen my example square, and I will be back when I'm ready to make my transition row. So I ended up making 13 increase rows total. I am now ready to make my transition row. To start our transition row, you're going to make 1 chain. Into the first 2 stitches of our row, we're going to make a single crochet decrease. We're going to insert our hook into the first stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Insert our hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up another loop. Yarn over, take that through all 3 loops to complete that single crochet decrease in those 2 stitches. You're now going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch across for the rest of your row. And that's how our transition row is looking. To start our decrease row, make 1 chain. Similar to our transition row, we're going to work a single crochet decrease into the first 2 stitches. We're now going to work 1 single crochet until we reach the last 2 stitches of our row. When we reach the last 2 stitches of our row, we're going to work a single crochet decrease into those 2 stitches. And that's how our decrease row is looking. You would now continue making decrease rows until you reach the last row of your square, and I'm going to continue on and come back when I'm ready for my last row. So I'm now ready to make my last row. To start your last row, make 1 chain. To identify your last row, you're going to have 4 stitches left. Into the first 2 stitches, you're going to make a single crochet decrease. Into the last 2 stitches, make a single crochet decrease. And that's how your last row is looking. Now you could leave your last row like this if you want to, but I will tell you how I like to finish my corner to corner pieces. I like to make 1 chain, turn my work, and then slip stitch, not into this stitch right here, but this next one, so that I have the tail end of my yarn at this corner to match the tail end over here at this corner. And that's how the corner to corner single crochet stitch is looking. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.